This video is about the attic ladder. If you're thinking about one of those pull down attic ladders, I think I got this from Home Depot. It might have been from Lowe's, but I'll put the name of it in the description once I look it up. I forget what it was called, but this is the larger one, and I'll put the dimensions, but I think this was the largest or almost the largest. And just to give an idea how big it is, the opening before I put this in, you could slip a sheet of plywood up it. Now that it has the ladder in there, you can't, but it's pretty significant. You can walk up with it with one of these gray tubs, no problem. Yeah, what? Yeah, you see all that? No, you got to stay there. Let me finish, and then I'll take you down. So, anyways, I just wanted to let you know, if you're thinking about it, this is very sturdy, and that was a concern I had before I got it, and it actually works. And then in terms of squaring it up, I don't know if it was an accident, but it squared up real nicely for me, and I was actually able to get it completely square without too much work. So anyways, maybe I'll shoot one in a second to show how it opens and closes. Okay, so it's the Werner. Werner is the brand. I guess that the ladder brand also makes the attic ladder. But anyways, listen to how it pulls down. Then it snaps into place. Let me turn the light on here. Yeah, it snaps into place. Folds down once. So make sure when you're doing it, like in this case, I have a close clearance. So make sure you measure. It has the dimensions that you have to have in order for it to swing down. Then it swings into place. But I mean, it's a very, very sturdy ladder. I was surprised at how sturdy it was. So, okay, it folds up like this, and then it has like the hinges that you have on a car hatchback car door. Listen to it. And it snaps into place. Obviously, I got to put a little trim around the edges, and it's got some kind of like the plywood's, I don't know, some mid-grade, good-looking veneer plywood. All right, there's the Werner attic ladder, and I'd say it's pretty easy to install if you have the right spacing for it between your ceiling joists.